Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install NoxPlayer. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to enter NoxPlayer space download and press enter. You'll get to see this first link, that is NoxPlayer. Select this. Okay. So this NoxPlayer over here, you'll get to see the download button. Select this. This will download the setup file. So meanwhile, the setup file is getting downloaded. We'll see about this NoxPlayer. It is the perfect Android emulator to play mobile games on PC. Okay, if you're a very big fan of playing Android mobile games, you can play those games on your PC by installing this Android emulator. So it provides new Android 9, okay, superior performance and ultimate experience. So there are different games which you can play, you can explore on this official website. Once the setup is downloaded, you need to click on this open. Make sure it is checked. I've read and accept the Nox. Okay, then click on install. Over here, there is an option custom. If you select it, you'll be able to change the default directory of this installation. I'll go with the default settings. Now click on install. To install the new Google Chrome browser, I'll reject this. We need only Nox application. So I've rejected that. So this will install the Nox player. So NoxPlayer was unable to start. Please restart your computer to fix this problem. Okay, so I'll close this. Now to start the NoxPlayer, these are the two software icons you get. One is the Nox and the second one is the Nox Assistant. So I've restarted my computer. Now let's start to launch this Nox software. So now it has launched successfully. Over here you will see the icons for App Center. For pre-registration, you can use Facebook, different tools you get in the browser. Okay, at the bottom you get to see the different mobile games you can download. I'll make this full screen. Over here you can see the Nox version, and on the right hand side you get the panel for volume up, down, and this is, and you also get to see a lot of ads in the software. At the bottom there is an option. If you select this, you can see the recent items. Three dots, you get more options to see. If you click on the settings menu, you can change the different settings. Okay, so I'll close this. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.